Weather First with meteorologist Marco Lamano.
Welcome back. This is the latest advisory of Tropical Depression 9, which didn't become a tropical storm yesterday. It's still a tropical depression, a very big one. Look at the size of this compared to the state of Florida. However, size doesn't mean it's some strong, scary storm. Winds are only at 35, which can cause damage, but obviously that's not a hurricane force kind of thing. So still at 35, still subtropical storm. Notice how the center of circulation is to the west. This is being affected by westerly wind shear, which is pushing a lot of this cloud cover into the state, far to the east of the center circulation. And that's why we're seeing a lot of rainfall right now, particularly in Sarasota and Manatee counties. So those of you east of 75 in Manatee, seeing a lot of rainfall, some heavy rain in Parrish, mostly just some light showers for you folks in Bradenton. We do see some heavy rain to the south there. Then we go to the south here in Sarasota County, and again, in Sarasota itself, Gulf Gate Estates, Osprey, Venice, light rainfall, but along I-75, torrential rain's been pouring there. And then for those of you in Northport, you might get hit by a very small batch of very heavy rainfall pushing north out of Charlotte County. So the latest projected track has this not moving too much. Look at this, Wednesday afternoons, barely any movement, but by Thursday and Friday, this is going to move a lot quicker. By Thursday, 2 p.m., it'll be gearing toward landfall north of us. Tropical storm force winds are in orange and yellow. They'll stay safely to the north. We'll be getting a lot of the rainfall from that. Some gusts, yeah, maybe 20, 25 mile per hour winds. But this will stay mostly to the north. They'll make landfall Thursday night, Friday morning. Watches and warnings are in effect. Tropical storm warning to the north of us in the Panhandle, all the way to the Bay County line, and a hurricane watch through Indian Pass where you see red. Hurricane watch really is precautionary. For the most part, we're not really thinking this will become a hurricane, but because there are a couple models showing that there's the potential for that, they're putting the hurricane watch up. But I think it's more precautionary. Tropical storm warning, though, definitely expected to become a tropical storm, and again, making landfall to the north of us. For us, heavy rainfall widespread as well in those those orange and red areas there. And tomorrow especially, we're looking at torrential rainfall as this moves closer and closer to landfall Friday morning. Don't be surprised if it's still kind of messy then as well. But by the weekend, we're expecting the rainfall to not get eliminated, still 60–50%, but it's not going to be quite as impressive as today through Friday due to Tropical Depression 9.